Hi, this is Allie Peters with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm standing at our brand new listing at 1378 South Beeler Street in Denver, Colorado. This home is nestled in the quiet community of Alton Park and is 3 beds, 3 bath, 1,800 square feet finished. Let's take a look around. Not only is this a great home, but the community also offers a playground, pool, and multiple green areas. And the home is centrally located in Denver that gives you close access to the Tech Center, Cherry Creek, and downtown. It's a great home and it's going to go fast, so if you want to schedule a private showing, you can contact me or come by our open house on May 6th from 12 to 2. Hope to see you there.